Ka Pradesh Election Committee PEC jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kandang pha yak thup kyrteng jogi kyrtong saka All India Congress Committee AICC kiban ai reng hak election jit nomi khmat chiteng samoy na lai tili kichon si maurang kaneng rajabala bat mau plang saying dobal thawain kajalla kaban long hak lai po trek rusaw arajar apuai ka PEC hak jelang balakhli do president ba Vincent H Pala hak jinan lang unong ilam ka gunhun ki MLA Congress hayeng dobal thawain kajalla Dr Mukul Sangma ba kedidi kriem kong job lin Eschala President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress uba Roni V Lingdo MDC bat kiwi pat
konsensi kita pan tiket hamni hapo moru keneng don bala pan manswa baka komiti swa ban nga ka komiti kala adon ke jing kren kala adon ke jing tho kala rai kala pas delhi swa ban manga ndre dang don ro I we I bar tho sti sanga I ong ban ya kren te ni mentang I dang don meeting tang la khot ki chibije ngan kendo ki na po moru keneng ban pensio tu I ke system bengi don ha parti namar ha bengi tre kono ka kam kombo ong pi khna bangin long bak parti kan tre lang ni bandon ke system ngimlar man le kat bang amon lene it doesn't depend kam shong rahanga president the nation who candidate lene no ka don ke system ni hab yet kat kum ke system khnang ba shakmar ro ka kan create kono ka presidents so ni yet kat kum system ni persio tu ki nga thrai kam don jing air ndangi yakran ki ngam se yakran bat ki nang ta haden ka tangin sarai mentan dala de yakran bat ki ngin sa ngan sakran sedal hi ngin sarai.
Two of the seats were represented by our own members of the CLP from Indian National Congress, and one, of course, was led by SK Soon, independent MLA. So, for these three vacancies, the Election Commission has already notified the election date, and therefore, the PEC, the Pradesh Election Committee, has set today, which was chaired by the new PCC President, Mr. Vincent Pala, and the PEC had considered all the recommendations which have been forwarded by the concerned party units, meaning the Block Congress committees, and subsequently also with all the inputs received from the respective district Congress committee. Based on those inputs, after having scrutinized each and every application and the inputs furnished before the PEC has decided upon, at least as far as two of the candidates for two constituencies. In respect of one of the constituencies, I will not like to name, the PEC wanted to get some more inputs and therefore deferred the final decision, which will be hopefully completed by today, before the evening. And after this whole exercise is completed, the names will be forwarded to AICC for the kind consideration of the Honorable Congress President. And once it is approved by the Honorable Congress President, then you will have the name and will be able to share with all of you.
Uba Vincent H Pala ong boladon ke jingkerman kebas kham ba ka seng Congress kan la ban job hakini baro lai tili ki konsensi.
Nasional galang ba ngadon gidon ke jingkerman namar ka wei hi ngadon jingkerman namar ba ibru kala I komno gene sarkar gale ka ba ar ki candidate ki ba ni don menta kinde ki candidate batmai ki dei candidate baladon ki ibru kala tip ka jinglong ka capacity ka capability chomki ki ladon tang try ni ki digit ki candidate ki ba nui ka job karam ka song ka ground ting ka by election kam song tang ho candidate ni tang ho party ka song ro ting ka jing pen pila I ka by election ki ba bon ki by election ka fair kum de kum ka general election ting try ka jing tre su tom ro ka way on the ground ting kermen ba kum ba long menta ting ni congress ni don ka jing kmi lenti ne ka ta ka nolok kum no ni de ban job ni election
Kedia tu nomor kimi ini jing keno ba betul mukul tani dia beri syakam jo berleceh boy keseng pertai mai atau disim political drama jo gini belum persya keseng kongres na benta kani ke ba election
ngatrai Dr Mukul la ai clearance la sorry la ai ka jing panshai menin ma clarification la ai ka jing panshai menin I think that his clarification is more than enough bagi jakaban batai manga ula batai menin ta na kumba ngai pi nga ngadang poi meni chibije meni step ha shulong am patip to ngasio nga I kor kubor ula clarify na I ke babon ko kubor ki tho matrai I don't have to say much ngam don ke ban ong halor ka jing clarification ko jongu namar bangam ya I ta ma